You choose a home battery, but it can be difficult to find a safe and suitable location for it. You must ensure that it is placed safely outside the living environment. Therefore, do not place it in a space that is too small or in an escape route. What if a fire occurs in the battery? For example, due to incorrect installation or a fire in the house, would you still be insured? With the battery shelter, you choose safe outdoor placement. You install the battery outside. Openings at the top and bottom provide natural air circulation. The home battery is now protected against environmental factors. This means your home battery is protected against weather conditions, vandalism, and theft. The battery shelter is designed for mounting home batteries on the exterior facade. By mounting it on the facade, you prevent cable damage and short circuits caused by subsidence. In the event of fire or explosion, the battery shelter slows down the fire and limits fire spread. This gives you and your family more time to reach safety. Would you like to know more about the battery shelter? Visit batteryshelter.com.